In this video, we'll look at distances on an astronomical scale, including calculations involving the speed of light. Light travels through space at a speed of 300 million meters per second. That's 300,000 kilometers per second, or 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. That's 3 followed by 8 zeros. The speed of light is constant throughout the universe. It is the fastest known speed, and nothing can travel faster than this. Calculations involving light years require the use of the familiar equation speed equals distance over time. For example, light from the Sun takes 8 minutes to reach the Earth, which is at a distance of 1.5 times 10 to the 11 meters. Take some time to get familiar with your calculator if you haven't already. Using the scientific notation button will save you a lot of time compared to typing out every zero. Let's put this into practice. The mean distance between the Sun and the Earth is 1.5 times 10 to the 11 meters. Light travels at a speed of 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. Calculate the time taken for light from the Sun to reach the Earth for 3 marks. To calculate the time, we rearrange the equation speed equals distance over time to give time equals distance over speed. If the distance from the Sun to the Earth is 1.5 times 10 to the 11 meters, and the speed of light is 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second, then t equals 1.5 times 10 to the 11 over 3 times 10 to the 8. This gives 500 seconds, which is about 8 minutes. Let's try a slightly harder example. Radio waves from Earth take 5.1 minutes to reach Mercury and 5.4 hours to reach Pluto. The radius of Mercury's orbit around the Sun is 5.8 times 10 to the 10 meters. Calculate how many times further away Pluto is from the Sun than Mercury. First, let's sketch out the scenario. We have the Sun, Mercury, Earth, and Pluto. We know that Mercury is 5.8 times 10 to the 10 meters from the Sun, and that light takes 5.1 minutes to travel from Earth to Mercury, and 5.4 hours to travel from Earth to Pluto. We want to find the ratio of the distance between the Sun and Pluto and the distance between the Sun and Mercury. From the equation relating speed, distance, and time, and from the fact that the speed of light is a constant, we find that time and distance are directly proportional. This means that the ratio of the distances is equal to the ratio of the times. Therefore, we can work out the values of time, and we don't have to convert to distance. But we do have to convert the times into the same unit. For ease, minutes will be the simplest. The time for light to travel between the Sun and Mercury is 5.8 times 10 to the 10 meters, divided by the speed of light, 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second, which gives us a time of 193 seconds. Then, dividing by 60 gives a time of 3.2 minutes. Next, we need to convert the time for light to reach Pluto from Earth, 5.4 hours, into minutes. This is simply 5.4 times 60, which is equal to 324 minutes. So now we can see the total time for light to reach Pluto from the Sun will be the sum of these 3 values, which is 332.3 minutes. Therefore, the ratio of the travel time from the Sun to Pluto and the travel time from the Sun to Mercury is 332.3 over 3.2, which equals 104. This means that Pluto is 104 times further away from the Sun than Mercury. In summary, astronomers use light years as a unit of distance between interstellar objects. The familiar equation speed equals distance over time can be used in calculations involving light in the solar system. This uses the fact that the speed of light has a constant value of 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second everywhere in the universe. Don't forget to check out all of our other fantastic revision resources here at Save My Exams.